Life in Rockford offers many conveniences, but with busy streets, active neighborhoods, and day-to-day hustle, unwanted noise often finds its way inside. From traffic sounds to barking dogs or noisy neighbors, these distractions can interrupt relaxation and make it harder to enjoy peace at home. One effective yet often overlooked solution is professional door installation. By choosing the right door and ensuring it's properly installed, Rockford homeowners can significantly reduce indoor noise while boosting comfort and value. How noise enters through doors even when closed. Many doors let sound slip inside because of design flaws or age-related wear. Thin materials. Hollow core doors or older wooden doors lack the density needed to block sound. Poor sealing. Gaps around the frame and worn weather stripping act as open invitations for noise. Improper installation. A door that doesn't fit securely allows vibrations and outdoor sounds to pass through easily. This makes doors one of the most important factors in controlling noise levels inside Rockford residences. Solid core doors for better soundproofing. When considering a new door installation, the material makes a big difference in noise control. Solid wood doors. Dense and durable, they naturally block more sound than hollow alternatives. Fiberglass doors. Modern fiberglass doors combine strength with insulation, offering soundproofing benefits along with durability against Rockford's seasonal weather. Steel doors. Heavy and solid, they provide excellent noise reduction as well as added security. Choosing a solid core door ensures a strong first step toward a quieter home. The importance of weather stripping and sealing. Even the best doors won't deliver noise reduction without proper sealing. Weather stripping upgrades. High-quality weather stripping blocks both drafts and sound. Threshold seals. A tight seal along the bottom of the door prevents noise from slipping through gaps. Frame adjustments. Professional installers make sure the door sits perfectly in its frame, eliminating small spaces where sound can enter. These finishing touches make a noticeable difference in soundproofing. Interior versus exterior door installation. Noise reduction isn't limited to the front door. Both exterior and interior door installations play a role. Exterior doors. Blocking street sounds, lawn equipment, or neighbors is easier with an insulated entry door. Interior doors. Upgrading bedroom or office doors to solid core designs helps create quiet spaces, perfect for work from home setups or restful sleep. Professional installation ensures every door in your Rockford home supports a quieter environment. Additional benefits beyond noise control. The advantages of a new, properly installed door go well beyond soundproofing. Energy efficiency. Sealed, insulated doors keep conditioned air inside, lowering utility bills. Enhanced comfort. By reducing both noise and drafts, new doors make your living spaces more pleasant year-round. Curb appeal and value. Stylish, well-installed doors improve your home's appearance and boost resale value. Increased security. Modern doors with reinforced materials and locks provide better protection. In short, professional door installation addresses multiple homeowner concerns at once. Why professional installation matters. While DIY door projects may seem tempting, only professional installation ensures long-term results. Precision fitting. Experts measure and adjust to achieve a perfect, gap-free fit. Knowledge of materials. Professionals recommend the best door styles and materials for Rockford's climate and noise concerns. Peace of mind. With warranties and skilled craftsmanship, you can trust your investment will perform as expected. This expertise maximizes the benefits of your new door, especially when reducing indoor noise is a priority. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Reducing unwanted noise starts at the doorway. A new solid core, well-sealed door, installed by professionals, creates a quieter and more comfortable living environment. Along with peace and privacy, you'll enjoy improved energy efficiency, security, and style. If you're tired of indoor disturbances and want to enhance your home's value, consider the role of professional door installation in achieving lasting comfort. The right door, installed the right way, can transform your Rockford residence into the peaceful retreat you deserve.